Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to find low competition keywords with high traffic from news sites, all right? How you can rank with low keywords, how you can find keywords that are on high demand with high traffic but low competition, all right? So this is our YouTube channel ABR Tech. In case you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? So as we can see, that's the link you can just go to directly. I'm going to be adding that link to our description so that you can use it to access Google Keyword Planner directly. All right, unlike the expert mode or maybe entering your billing and everything, entering your card, those things are not needed here anymore. All right, so if you've not watched our previous video, go watch our previous video on how to get Google Keyword Planner for free. Okay, in that article, you don't need to enter your credit card, your debit card details before you get access to Keyword Planner. All right, so Keyword Planner is totally free. We have two options here: discover new keywords, get search volume, and forecast. All right, so we decide to use the get keyword and everything. Okay, so let's just head over to this, and we are going to be trying the other method as well. But since Discover network is quite poor from my end, but please just exercise patience. I'm going to be through. All right, I'll be putting you through. All right, so we have these two options. This is the other option. It can be open, but so let's discover new keywords. We're going to be using one of the keyword. One, you can start with keywords and you can use a page of a site to do your keyword research and get the right results. Okay, so this is quite simple. It's quite simple, but it's it seems hard to people that doesn't understand much about keyword research. All right, so we're gonna be choosing a country. All right, the target matters, and I'm gonna be using United States or maybe United Kingdom for the sake of CPC. In case you have AdSense, I mean Google AdSense on your site. All right, so using either um, UK or United States is important. So in this regard, we're using United States. We're gonna be using keyword like how to create a blog or maybe how to start a blog. All right, how to start a blog, and just filter everything to get low competition keyword with high traffic. Traffic from 100 to 10K monthly is still appreciable, right? With good CPC. And the CPC, we're going to be marking those ones, then you copy them and write on them. And when you're writing on them, one thing you should note is make sure all your keywords appear in the descriptions. Yeah, your first line of words, everything should appear. That's not keyword stuffing. That's not stuffing anyway. So make sure you allow everything appear in the first descriptions. Sorry, the first your description, so that it can be picked by Google, so you can start ranking immediately. But with that, either with high domain authority or not, it will still rank. Okay, so from our filter, I have choose the low. You use the filter method to choose everything. All right, so here we have 100 to. I'm gonna be. I'm opening my notepad right now. All right, so that I can copy those keywords and paste it there for use. That's how you get it here. Unlike Ahref, SEMrush, you export as Excel, but this one you're gonna be copying them. So these keywords are good to go. All right, in case you're writing about this, or maybe you're not be using any search term apart from this, you can use it. They are quite simple, and you can rank with these keywords in less than a month or two. Most times 1 week if you have high domain authority. I mean, with backlinks from reasonable website, web 2.0 or anything, profile backlinks, anything, it can still rank well, right? So you can still add some other keywords, can increase it, do so many other things here. All right, so just keep watching, and then you get to understand everything you need to know here. Like most times, whenever I'm confused about what keywords to use, I directly search rating on the internet and I go to related keywords, pick the related keywords, and come to Google Keyword Planner and then analyze my thing. Then I start writing. All right, so just keep watching and make sure you follow the due procedures watch to the end and you enjoy the video. All right. So have a great day and keep watching. Thank you. But please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's important. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Drop a comment in any stage you are confused and we'll answer you immediately. Thank you.